We've talked about some of the properties of multiplication. Now we're going to start talking about properties of addition. Your lesson essential question is, what are some properties of addition? So we're going to use properties of addition today to join groups, and we know that addition is joining groups together. When we do an addition problem that has more than two addends, sometimes you're going to see parentheses around specific parts of the equation. The reason you'll see these parentheses is because that's the part of the problem you're supposed to do first. The first property we're going to talk about is the associative property of addition. The associative property is the grouping property. It tells us that you can group the addends in any way and the sum will still be the same. So if you look at the example, we have 18 plus 14 plus 15. Now I can do 18 plus 14 first and then add 15 and get 47, or I can even do 14 plus 15 first and then add the 18. So really it's just telling us we can add these addends in any order that we want and still get the same answer or the same sum. The commutative property is the ordering property. That tells us that you can add numbers in any order and the sum will be the same. So 57 plus 35 is going to be the same thing as 35 plus 57. Just like multiplication, you can flip those addends around and still get the same answer. We know that that's not true for subtraction. And then, of course, the identity property of addition, or the zero property. That tells us the sum of 0 and any number is the same as that number. So that addend being added to 0 is going to be my sum. So we know that we're adding nothing. So think of identity. That addend keeps its identity.